Apricots are a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin A is important for maintaining healthy vision and skin, while vitamin C helps to boost the immune system. Apricots are high in fiber, which helps to promote healthy digestion by preventing constipation and reducing the risk of digestive disorders. Apricots contain various antioxidants, such as beta-carotene and vitamin C, which help to protect the body against damage from harmful free radicals. Apricots are a good source of calcium, which is important for maintaining strong bones and teeth. They also contain potassium, which helps to regulate blood pressure and maintain fluid balance in the body. Apricots are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great snack option for those trying to lose weight.